one amazing plate. See you tomorrow.
Why name a beer after Samuel Adams? Because Samuel Adams signed the Declaration of Independence. He believed there was a better way to live. All men are created equal. They are endowed with certain unalienable rights. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Smooth, flavorful. We bow to no kings. Samuel Adams, Boston Lager. Declare your independence.
Hi, Charlie.